From top to bottom, a plugin chain consists of a chain label, an input routing section, your plugin instances, a latency compensation section, and an output routing section. Each chain has a unique number and has multiple customization options. When a chain is selected, the detail pane will appear at the bottom of the UI and provides access to configure the chain. This allows for customization such as coloring and labeling, input routing, including chain width configuration. A single chain can consist of 64 channels. Chain group assigns and latency grouping assigns. This section allows for the chain to be assigned to a latency compensation group and allows for delay compensation to take place. As we can see, I've installed the Transform Suite bundle onto this Transform engine. So let's create a plugin instance. And I think I'll start with the most important component of any mix, the kick reverb. Now we can see I've created an instance of Verb Suite Classics by Slate Digital. When you select a plugin by either double tapping on it or selecting and pressing Open Plugin View, the UI will open to adjust the parameters. Looking at the detail pane, with a plugin instance selected, we can now copy and paste presets, observe the reported latency, identify the current queue and queue list, adjust the bus configuration and assign a sidechain input, bypass a plugin which acts to route audio around it, and smite the plugin which acts to unload it from the DSP.